polar function that is going to be a parabola or hyperbola or an ellipse. So make sure that we've got it in polar form. Go to y equals, and it's 10 divided by, and then we need parentheses, 3 plus 6 cosine. There we go. Then to change the window, so 0 to 2 pi would be a good idea. And then after that, I'm just going to go to zoom standard. Seems that we have a hyperbola. I'd like to zoom in a little bit to the center where those asymptotes are crossing. So keep in mind that in polar form this is one of the focus points. So that's easy enough, that's 0, 0. Now we need to find out where this is. Well, there's a couple ways to do it. In one way, what you're asked to do is get this in the form E times D. So eccentricity is the E, D is the distance from the origin, which is the focus point, to the directrix. And then it's supposed to be 1 plus E times cosine down here. So in other words, this is supposed to be a 1 plus, not a 3 plus. So what we're going to need to do is divide the top and the bottom by 3. So you'd have 10 gets divided by 3, and then it's going to be 1 plus 2 cosine. So next what we do is say, well, this is E times D, and we know right here that E is 2, so the eccentricity is 2, and if E times D equals 10 thirds, we would have, place the E, we would have that D is equal to 10 sixths. So if you draw the picture, right here is a focus point, then we'd have the vertex and one branch would be going like this. And then if you go from the focus point to where the directrix is, that's a length of D, so 10 sixths. So in other words, this vertical line right here, which is x equals 10 sixths, is the directrix. Okay, then over here we would have the other branch of it, and there would be a focus point in here. So the distance from here to here is the same as from here to here. So if we could find out where this vertex is, then we'd be in good shape. So one thing you could do is go to trace, and my goodness, I got lucky. There it is. So at theta equals 0, that's where it started drawing the graph, and this, I believe, is 10 divided by 9. 10 divided by 9, there it is. So this is at 10 ninths. So the length from here to here is 10 ninths, so that means the length from here to here is 10 ninths. Well, this one, it's probably going to do, if it takes 2 pi to draw the whole thing, then maybe it would be a pi for this, and then it would have to start at pi and then draw this one. Let's see if that works. Trace and go to pi. Nice. So then x is 3 1/3. 3 1/3 is 10 thirds. So we just need to go from 10 thirds and add on this length 10 ninths to get over to here. So a 10 thirds plus a 10 ninths is 40 ninths. And I think we have all the pieces. So this is a focus, this is a vertex, this is a vertex, and we've got the directrix. So we've got focus, or foci, at 0, 0, and 40/9 0. And we've got vertices at 10/9, 0. And then also this one at 10/3, 0.